What sign is this? Is it a no stopping sign or no waiting? That's correct. The no stopping sign prohibits stopping at any time in this area. Identify this road sign. Is it a stop sign ahead or a stop sign? That's right. The stop sign requires drivers to come to a complete stop at the junction. What does this sign mean? Is it a no-turn sign or no U-turn? Good observation. The no U-turn sign prohibits making U-turns at an intersection. What is this traffic sign? Traffic signal ahead or standard traffic light? Excellent. The traffic signal ahead sign alerts drivers to an upcoming traffic lights. Name this road sign. Mini roundabout or roundabout? Well done. The roundabout sign indicates an upcoming circular intersection. Identify this traffic sign. Parking place or parking place for buses? Good thinking. The parking place sign shows a designated vehicle parking area. What is this sign? Zebra crossing or pedestrians ahead? That's correct. The pedestrians ahead sign warns that pedestrians may be crossing ahead. What sign is this? No left turn or no left turn on red? Excellent. The no left turn sign prohibits making left turns at an intersection. Identify this road sign. Give way sign or yield sign ahead? That's right. The give way sign requires drivers to give priority to other traffic at a junction. What does this sign mean? Crossroad or T-junction? Well done. The T-junction sign warns that the road ends at a junction ahead. What is this traffic sign? No right turn or no right turn on red? That's correct. The no right turn sign prohibits making right turns at an intersection. Name this road sign. Staggered junction or crossroad? Good observation. The crossroad sign warns that a crossroads is ahead. Identify this traffic sign. End of road works or roadworks? That's right. The roadworks sign alerts drivers to roadworks are ahead. What is this sign? Two-way traffic or two-way traffic on a one-way? Excellent. The two-way traffic sign warns that traffic moves in both directions ahead. What sign is this? Children crossing or zebra crossing? Well done. The zebra crossing sign indicates a pedestrian crossing area ahead. Identify this road sign. Tunnel or low arch bridge? That's correct. The tunnel sign warns that a tunnel is ahead. What does this sign mean? Speed hump or uneven road? Good thinking. The uneven road sign warns of uneven road surface ahead. What is this traffic sign? Warning sign or worded warning? That's right. The warning sign indicates a general hazard ahead. Name this road sign. Roundabout or mini roundabout? Excellent. The mini roundabout sign indicates a small roundabout ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Hump bridge or low arch bridge? Well done. The hump bridge sign indicates a raised bridge ahead. What is this sign? Slippery road or flood warning sign? That's correct. The slippery road sign warns that the road surface may be slippery. What traffic sign is this? Dangerous crosswinds or side winds? Good observation. The side wind sign warns drivers of strong crosswinds ahead. Identify this road sign. Low-flying helicopters or low-flying aircraft? That's right. The low-flying helicopter sign warns of helicopters flying at low height. What does this sign mean? Falling or fallen rocks or loose chippings? Excellent. The falling or fallen rock sign warns of rockfalls and debris ahead. What is this traffic sign? Steep ascent or steep descent? Well done. The steep descent sign warns of a steep downhill slope ahead. Name this road sign. Children crossing or zebra crossing? That's correct. The children crossing sign warns that children may be crossing the road. Identify this traffic sign. Slow-moving vehicles or agricultural vehicles? Good thinking. The agricultural vehicles sign warns that farm vehicles may be using the road. What is this sign? Motor vehicles prohibited or buses prohibited? That's right. The motor vehicles prohibited sign prohibits motor vehicles from using the roadway. What sign is this? End of a pedestrian zone or pedestrians prohibited. Excellent. The pedestrian prohibited sign prohibits pedestrian activity in the area. Identify this road sign. No waiting or no stopping. Well done. The no waiting sign prohibits waiting along a certain section of road. What does this sign mean? National speed limit applies or maximum speed 30 miles per hour. That's correct. The national speed limit sign shows that the national speed limit applies. What is this traffic sign? The end of dual carriageway or road narrows on both sides. Good observation. This sign warns drivers of a narrow roadway. Name this road sign. Warning or worded warning. That's right. The worded warning sign provides a written warning message ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Opening bridge or drawbridge. Excellent. The opening bridge sign warns that a movable bridge is ahead. What is this sign? Accompanied horses or accompanied horses prohibited. Well done. The accompanied horses sign warns that horse riders use the road. What sign is this? Entrance to a 20 miles per hour zone or maximum speed 20 miles per hour. That's correct. The maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign shows the highest permitted speed is 20 miles per hour in this area. Identify this road sign. Height restriction or low arch bridge. Good thinking. The height restriction sign shows the maximum vehicle height allowed. What does this sign mean? No passing zone or no overtaking. That's right. The no overtaking sign prohibits overtaking other vehicles. What is this traffic sign? Staggered junction or crossroad. Excellent. The staggered junction sign shows side roads joining the main road ahead. Name this road sign. Watercourse alongside road or riverbank or quayside sign. Well done. The watercourse alongside road sign warns of water beside the road. Identify this traffic sign. No overtaking or traffic cues likely ahead. Good observation. The traffic cues likely ahead sign warns that cues may be ahead. What is this sign? Slow-moving vehicles or slow-moving military vehicles. That's correct. The slow-moving vehicle sign warns of slow vehicles ahead. What sign is this? Solo motorcycles prohibited or motor vehicles prohibited? That's right. The solo motorcycles prohibited sign prohibits solo motorcycles on this roadway. Identify this road sign. Accompanied horses or accompanied horses prohibited. Excellent. The accompanied horses prohibited sign prohibits horse riders from using the road. What does this sign mean? Left turn ahead or route to the left? Well done. The turn left ahead sign instructs drivers to turn left at the junction ahead. What is this traffic sign? Curve left or keep left? That's correct. The keep left sign instructs drivers to pass to the left of an obstruction. Name this road sign. End of 30 miles per hour speed limit or minimum speed 30 miles per hour. Good thinking. The minimum speed 30 miles per hour sign shows vehicles must travel at least 30 miles per hour. Speed camera or speed camera with 30 miles per hour reminder. That's right. The speed camera sign warns that speed enforcement cameras are in use. What is this sign? Level crossing without gate or level crossing with gate ahead? Excellent. The level crossing with gate ahead sign shows a gated railway crossing ahead. What sign is this? Crossbuck or target at level crossing? Well done. The crossbuck sign marks a railway level crossing.